Hello friends, today we'll show a very basic SolidWorks tutorial for the beginners. This is one mechanical component. It requires to be drawn from the top side or top plane. And for drawing this one, we have to follow extrude boss base and extrude cut. Sometimes we have to follow chamfer also. This is not the only way, some other options are also available. So we'll try to follow as minimum options are required, right? We'll draw it first. So if we draw it from the top plane, it requires to draw one rectangle and one semicircular part. Semicircle of diameter 30 is required and rectangle of length equal to 60 millimeters is required. Okay, let's get started. So 60 is up to the center of this one. This is not up to the extreme end. Okay, so we have to draw one rectangle of 60 and your breadth will be 30. There is a diameter of the circle 30. Okay, let's get started. Starting from top plane, normal to sketch. We'll draw a rectangle. Let's get the rectangle from the central axis. We'll draw on this rectangle, then at this extreme left hand we'll draw the circle part or semicircular part. We'll take the center point. Okay, fine, it is okay. Yeah, fine, perfect. Next part here also another circle is what we can see the dimension of that. Inside this one we are having another circle of radius 7.5 millimeter. Okay, let's provide smart dimension to that one. So we're providing this length equal to 60 and inside diameter equal to 15. Radius is equal to 7.5, so inside diameter will be 15. Done. Now one thing is very important here, so we have to make a close drawing. So we have some unwanted portion that we trimmed out from trim entities. This one, and this one. Now it is a closed object. Okay, so what can we do is we can exit from the sketch, select the sketch and feature extrude boss base, and extrude thickness should be equal to 9 millimeter. You can see this is 9 millimeter. Okay, done. So green check. Now we can see again the drawing here also it should be having more thickness, right? So again you can see here it will go another 21 millimeter up, right? So what you have to do is you have to draw this part and from the central this line it will move 18 millimeter away, right? You draw it again. So select that plane, normal to, we have to draw here itself, right? Sketch, circle, this is a circle, then semicircle is required again. Semicircle we draw from the center itself. We are drawing the semicircle. Okay, now some straight lines are required. From extreme end of the semicircle, some straight lines will be required. Okay, make the drawing complete. Now I have to provide smart dimension to that one. Okay, smart dimension, this one will be how much you can see it. Smart dimension, this will be 18 millimeter. Okay, fine. The drawing is complete. So exit from the sketch. Now select the drawing and features extrude. Extrude boss base, extrusion thickness should be 21 millimeter because total thickness you can see total is 30 millimeter. Already before we have done 9 millimeter, so how much is remaining? 21 millimeter is remaining. It will be 21 millimeter. So green check, done. Right, now here you can see in the drawing some chamfers are required. Chamfer of 9 by 9 with 45-degree angle. You can point directly by selecting these faces, these edges. Another edge can be selected by control. Then directly you can apply chamfer of 9 mm with 45-degree angle. Right, so here we will provide angle equal to 9 mm. Done. Chamfer is met, right? You see. Now only one part is remaining. Here this slope is required. For this one can be done, a lot of options are available. Easiest one will be at the mid plane. We can draw this triangular portion and extrude both this, extrude this one in both along the mid plane, both ways 7 mm, right? So best way is to select that plane. Okay, which plane is equal? You can see from here it will be front plane, right? Select front plane, normal to. Right, now here we have to draw this triangular part, triangular space. We have to draw it from sketch, lines, this point, triangle is ready, right? So what we have to do is green check and exit from the sketch. Drawing is complete. Select the sketch and features, extrude boss base. And extrusion should be from the middle plane, because you can see in the original drawing also it is from the middle plane. So mid plane, and extrusion thickness is 7 mm. Done. Green check. This is the final drawing. Okay, let's see whether it's okay or not. Yeah, this is exactly same. Now for a better view, we can do one thing. We can provide some kind of appearance, metallic appearance. By the same time you can change the background also, right? Metallic appearance will provide this one metallic appearance. Suppose it is brass, right? We'll take brass, provide polished brass to that object. So we got the brass, and to have a better view we can change the background a little bit. So we'll make it plain white, it will be a better one. Very nice it is looking, right? Okay, so what did we learn here? We learned some basics like extrude boss base and selecting some planes and extrusion through mid plane, etc. And by the same time we learned chamfering. This is the very basic example for the beginners who are learning SolidWorks software. Okay,